Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to fix screen recording not working on iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, you have to make sure you have set up the screen recording toggle on. For that, swipe down from the right corner of your screen and you can find this screen recording icon. If you cannot find screen recording icon over here, then what you need to do is go to the settings application, scroll all the way down, go to the option of control center, scroll down. Now here you can find two sections, included controls and more controls. From more controls, you have to add screen recording to the upper part in the included control. After you do that, you will be able to find screen recording icon on your control center. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen and you can find this screen recording icon. Now to record screen, all you have to do is tap on it and it will start the countdown and screen recording will start. If you want to record screen along with the audio, you can long press on it and this option will pop up of microphone. You have to tap on it and microphone will be enabled as well. If this doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can update your software. For that, open your settings, scroll down, head towards this option of general. Now tap on this option of software update. If any updates are available, from here you can easily update it. After you update your phone to its latest version, then definitely your screen recording gonna work. So this is how you fix screen recording not working on iPhone. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.